Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a review video. I'm going to do a review on my Speedy 25. I have two of them, one in dummy or ebin canvas and one in monogram canvas, and both of my bags are 7 years old. I got them in 2013. Yeah, so 7 years old. So in this video I'm going to show you the bags, the inside and the outside. I'm going to show you the wear and tear because these are 7 years old, so they have some wear and tear. I'm going to tell you the price, how much I paid for them in 2013 and what is the current price. I'm going to show you what you can fit inside these bags, and then I'm going to tell you guys why I got these bags Speedy 25 instead of the other sizes and other bags. And at the end I'm going to show you guys how it looks on me. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to talk about in this video. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. I'm going to start with the ebin one. So this is how it looks. And this is an older model, that's why you see the tabs, they are not floppy, they are flat. And here is the bottom. I can only see a little wear right there, but it's not visible because of the canvas. And handles are pretty good, no cracking or anything. Zipper is pretty smooth, and here is the inside. It has red interior, and that is my key for my lock. Right here, my lock is it little bit tarnished, but not that much. And my bag is made in USA. There is a cloth tag somewhere. It says made in the US. I don't think you can see, but it's right here. Can you see that? This is the tag. It says made in the US, and it has a D-ring. And there is a pocket right there, and I have one band-aid here, and here is the date code, which says SD 3192. So my bag is made in 2012, but I got this one in 2013. So this is, technically this is 8 years old, but for me this is 7 years old because I got in 2013. Yeah, so this is my dummy or ebin one, and I love this canvas, guys. I love both the canvas. I like the azure one as well. I love them. I love their canvas. And let me show you the monogram one. And I have nice honey patina of this handle, and again this is pretty good, no cracking issue or anything. And you can see the tabs, these are older tabs, so these are flat, not floppy. There is no visible wear and tear. The only wear and tear is the patina of the Vachetta leather. And here is the inside. And again this is just Louis Vuitton Paris, made in stamp is inside because this is again made in the US. There is a cloth tag. I don't think you can see, but there is a cloth tag right here. That is also brown. I can't show you. Yeah, there is a cloth tag. It says made in the US, and here is my date code, and it says SD 2163. So this is made in 2013 and this is made in 2012. So now let's talk about the price. This is my very first bag from Louis Vuitton, which I got in 2013, like I said, and this was an anniversary gift, my 10th year wedding anniversary gift from my husband. And when he got this bag, it was $750, and after 6 months I got this one and I paid $850. Yeah, so in 1 year I paid $100 more for this one than this one. And the current price for Speedy 25 is now $1,140. I don't know what was the price before the price increase, but the current price is $1,140. So now let me talk about why I got Speedy 25 instead of other sizes and other bags. The first reason I got this Speedy 25 instead of other sizes because of its size. I am very petite, I am only 4'11", so Speedy 25 looks good on me instead of 30 or 35. And when I was looking for a Louis Vuitton bag, I was looking into 3 bags, Speedy 25, Neverfull PM, and that time they had Eva Clutch, but they discontinued that item, so you will not see it anymore in the website, but that time they had that. I didn't buy the Eva Clutch because the strap was very long, and like I said, I am very petite, so I didn't get that. And Neverfull didn't have a zipper, and I like my bag to be closed, and also I don't like to carry my bag on the shoulder. I'm not a shoulder bag kind of person. That's the reason why I got Speedy 25 instead of Neverfull and Eva Clutch. And also I thought I'm going to get more bag. I mean, this is kind of a big bag than Eva Clutch or Poussette NM that time. And that time Poussette NM was $450 and this was $750. And this is way bigger than Poussette NM. So I thought I'm going to get more bag for whatever I'm paying for it. That's the reason why also I got this, because it looks like bag. Poussette NM and Eva Clutch, they are very tiny, they are like mini bags, but it is a real bag. This is not mini bag at all. That's the reason why also I got this one. And also I like the way it looks. I like the look of Speedy than Neverfull. Yeah, so that is the reason why I got Speedy 25 instead of other bags. So now I'm going to put a screenshot from the website so that you guys can see the measurements and all the detailed features. Just pause the video and you can just read it. So now I'm going to show you guys what you can fit inside these bags. And I have my lock inside right here. I didn't put that here because I don't want this hole to stretch, so I just keep it inside. I'm going to hold the bag like this and I'm going to put the item so that you can see what I'm putting inside. So the first item I'm going to put inside is my wallet. This is a full-size wallet by Tory Burch. Next I have a cosmetic pouch, this one. This is by Kate Spade. Next I have this miscellaneous pouch which has like sanitizer, hand wipes, yeah, all those stuff. Next I'm going to put this 6-ring key holder. I have a pair of sunglasses. This is by Gucci. This is a coin purse, but I have some cash inside. Next I have my phone. I have some snack. So here is the bag with everything inside. And look, it doesn't even sag. And you can put some other stuff like water bottle, or if you have small umbrella you can put as well. If you have kids, then you can put some toys on the top. So this carries a lot, guys. This is definitely got heavier, but if you don't carry a lot of stuff, then this is not going to be that heavy. And if you don't want to carry a big wallet, what you can do, you can carry a smaller wallet. I have this Chanel one, and here you can put your regular cards like credit card, driver license, all those your important cards. And this is a card holder. This is by Hermes, which is Calvi card holder. You can use this for your other cards like your loyalty cards, your business cards. Yeah, so instead of carrying this, you can just carry this too. Yeah, that is up to you. This I carry when I carry bigger bags like this, and this or this. I don't carry both of them. Either I carry this or I carry this in my smaller bags. But when I use big bags like this, I use this wallet. Yeah, so let me show you guys again what you can fit inside. You can fit a full size wallet, a cosmetic pouch, miscellaneous pouch, coin purse, pair of sunglasses, phone, some snack, and the last one is your key holder. And this is fully empty now. And this is I'm wearing today. This is a t-shirt by Kenzo. I don't think I have showed you guys this one. And I'm wearing a pant. I'm going to show you the mod shorts so that you guys can see the whole outfit. Yeah, so these are the jewelry and NARS lipstick. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button. That means a lot to me. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you again in my next one. Bye.